everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. Right, another Saturday video here. A couple of updates, a couple of things I want to take you through, and some news, also some news. Right, so behind me is what we're working on now. This car came to me because of one problem that took me relatively easy to diagnose and relatively easy to repair, to be fair with you. Quite quick, no problems there. While I was repairing the first problem, and the only problem the car came with, or the only problem I was told the car had, while I was repairing it, I noticed something else. Contacted the owner, yes, please repair it. While I was testing the repair of the second problem, not just I found a third problem, but I found a fourth problem. And while I was repairing the third problem, I just decided to tackle the fourth problem because something became evident quite quick, and quite quick I start to strongly believe that what I've noticed during the repair of the third problem, that was the cause of the fourth problem. So I just moved on the same video. So this third video for this car is going to be a little bit mixed up, but thumbnail or title or description, I will try to make sure I will capture this last issue the car had. So I'll just give you a quick hint, and then you take. So obviously you have the seats in there, and the interior of the car is like this. So I don't know if that's gonna give you any clues or not, but yeah, that's where we are with this car. And I'm literally just gonna reassemble the car this morning, because after this we need to work on that, and that is that. So that is the same one on here, that came back. Now, in a way it's good that came back, because now I can give you a little bit more information. So that had a replacement engine. I already told you this on one of the Saturday update videos. I'll leave the links all below, but I think it was on this video I already mentioned that had a new engine. Well, when I say new, I say used, replaced engine. All the parts from the first video on that have obviously been reutilized. Everything would have to be changed anyway, so all of that has been reutilized. But the car now, and this is like 4 months later now. So when the car left here the last time, up to when it came here last week, I just haven't had a chance to work on it, because this was supposed to be a morning repair, and is now here for over a week. But it's been 4 months, and I've been considering, when I publish that video, to actually just publish both videos together. So publish that, and then the following week publish the one I'm going to start, hopefully record today. But I don't know yet how I'm going to do it. I don't know yet. But yeah, so the car developed a problem, and because the problem it developed, apparently, just bear in mind I haven't even looked at the car yet. The car's been parked there for a week. I haven't touched it. But apparently the problem it developed is related to one of the things we replaced on that first video. So I think because of that, they just asked me to have a look. Or maybe they would just ask me to have a look regardless, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to try to figure out what's going on with that particular part, with that particular system, and we'll go from there. But I can tell you the car is driving fine. It came driving fine. Well, it came driving the first time as well, but anyway, let's gonna put that behind our backs for now. What else do we have? We have a few cars coming in soon as well. There's a Mercedes coming in. There's another Land Rover coming in. Oh, Land Rovers. What else that we did more recently? Some BMW stuff, some other Mercedes stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming in. You guys know the channel, you know how it works. But also, what I want to say is there is something happening that new tools, basically. New tools that are mine, but they are not mine. The sponsor video, I'm working on that video. So I have all the tools now. I'm waiting for a laptop for them because I want to put down a completely separate system, so I don't want to mix anything with what I have. But yeah, I don't know what you guys are going to think about it. That video is not going to wait too long. As soon as I have everything done, I will publish the video. If you are on my Patreon, stay tuned, because I'm going to do a Patreon only asking for your help, if you will, regards these tools. I'm really interested to know what you guys think, and mainly give you the opportunity to gather some extra information that maybe I'm not really fussy about, but maybe you guys want to see those answers, those questions answered, and I'm going to give you the opportunity for that. And yeah, that's it. So that's it. That's the today updates. There's nothing else really going on right now. And that's it. I'm going to finish to reassemble this Mercedes, and as I said, move into the Discovery, and that's going to be my day today. And that's it, guys. So stay tuned for the video tomorrow. Is the follow-up from the BMW. If you remember, what was that? F something, the Valvetronic one. So stay tuned tomorrow for the actually Valvetronic video, and then stay tuned for other stuff. That's it, guys. So have a nice weekend. Enjoy the videos, and see you next time.